Tatay ko, babaero. Mga tito ko, babaero. Lolo ko, babaero. Kaya ako di ko maiwasan ng pambababae. Ganun talaga, pinanganak kaming mga pogi eh. Madalas ang nangyayari. Na ipapasa natin, hindi lang yung maganda, pati na rin yung kasalanan natin from generations to generations to generations. Kasi hinuhubog tayo ng home environment natin. Yung bahay na kinalakahan natin, yung mga bata, ina-absorb nila yung values ng parents and yung patterns of behavior. Kaya kung ano yung toyo ng nanay at tatay, malamang yun din ang toyo ng mga anak at ng mga apo, kaapu-apuan. But, huwag sana tayong pumayag na yan na ang maging kapalaran natin. That this will be our destiny. Because this should not be set on stone. Kahit na malaki yung tsansa, it's highly probable that we inherit the sins of our parents. I want you to believe that with God's help, you can overcome. You can be the curse breaker in your family. That it will stop in your generation. Because the truth is this, we don't have to repeat the sins of our fathers. We can choose to repeat the goodness of our Heavenly Father. Lumalabas ba sa bibig nyo ito? Sana tanggalin nyo sa bokabularyo nito yung mga ganitong bagay. Yung, ganyan na talaga yung lahi namin. Tatay ko, babaero. Mga tito ko, babaero. Lolo ko, babaero. Kaya ako di ko maiwasan ng pambababae. Ganun talaga, pinanganak kaming mga pogi eh. O kaya, nanay ko sugarol. Lola ko sugarol. Mga tito ko sugarol. Tita ko sugarol. Kaya ako, sugarol ako eh. Ganyan talaga ang lahi namin. Tanggalin natin yan sa bokabularyo natin. Because your words are powerful. Your words become your reality. Nasa subconscious natin yan. Pero itong tandaan ninyo, well, that's your earthly father. Oo, may kasalanan siya. Oo, meron siyang generational curse. But I want you to know, your Heavenly Father is way more powerful. God the Father is good. And because God made us in His image and likeness, if He is good, then also us, we are good. You can overcome generational sins because you are good.